If we want to edit this element over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that it's a priced list widget. We can see the list settings over here, the style settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. So let's go back to content. First, we can see the list items over here. So let's click on the first one. We can see the price over here. So we can change the price from over here. We can change the title from over here. We can also use AI from over here. We can change the description from over here, use AI from over here. We can also use new prompt from over here. Like so. And we can add an image if we want to from over here, like so. We can also use AI for the image from over here. Let's delete the image by clicking on this trash bin. We can also add an URL over here. We can also click on this wheel over here, so we can set the link to open in a new window. And we can use dynamic tags if we want to. If we want to duplicate an item, we can simply click over here. If we want to delete an item, we can simply click over here. And we can add an item from over here. We have the title HTML tag from over here and the description HTML tag from over here. Then by going to style, we have style option for list, for image, and for the item. For the list, we have settings for title, for price, for description, and for the separator. So for the title, we have color. We can use global colors from over here, or a custom one from over here. Typography, we can use global typography from over here, or custom one from over here, like font family from over here. The size from over here, the weight, we can transform it from over here. We can choose the style, decoration, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. We have text stroke if we want to from over here, and the color from over here. We can always click on this icon to go back to default. Then for the price, we have colors, global colors from over here, or custom one from over here. Typography, global typography from over here, and custom one from over here. For description, the same, global colors, custom one, global typography or custom one. And for the separator, we have style of the separator from over here, or we can have no separator. We have the weight of the separator, the color from over here. We can also use the global colors from over here, and the spacing. For the image, we would have image resolution from over here, border radius, and spacing. And for the item, we have row gap and vertical alignment. And for the advanced, we can choose margin and paddings.